Welcome to the YouTube channel of Chamalidevi Institute of Pharmacy. Now today I am with the topic Pharmaceutical Mixing Part 3. Now the topics to be covered are construction of various types of mixtures, then its working and various advantage or disadvantage of the mixtures. Now the first type of mixture is the propeller mixer. This mixture we have studied earlier under the liquid-liquid kind of mixture. So the construction of the propeller mixture is it comprises of a rotating shaft with propeller blades attached, which are used for mixing low viscosity dispersions and maintaining contents in the suspension. And it rotates at a very high speed up to 800 rpm, due to which mixing can be done in a short time. So these are the propeller mixers, and these are the blades which are attached to the rotating shaft. Now let's see the working of the propeller mixture. The material to be mixed is taken in vessel and the propeller containing the shaft is inserted in it like this. And the angle blades of the propeller, it will cause the circulation of the liquid in both axial and radial direction, which will ensure the good bulk transport with low shearing force. So this is the working of the propeller mixture. Now let's see the advantage. Now the advantage of propellers are they are used when high mixing capacity is required, and it can easily handle the liquids with viscosity of about 2 pascal second. And the disadvantage is it is not effective for the liquids greater than 5 pascal second viscosity. And for example like glycerin, castor oil. So for the mixing of the glycerin and castor oil, propellers are not an ideal mixer. Now the next type of mixture is the turbine mixture. First of all, let's see the construction. It consists of a circular disc impeller to which short straight curved blades are attached. And these mixtures, these are different from propellers as they are rotated at a lower speed than propellers. And here also the ratio of the diameter of the impeller and container is also low. Here the diameter of turbines ranges from 30 to 50% of the diameter of vessel. So these are the turbine mixtures. Now let's see the working of turbine mixture. Here the high shear force at the tip of the blades of a turbine rotating in a baffle vessel is produced due to radial flow pattern, and in the periphery of blades move in a circular fashion, which it will throw the liquid horizontally towards the surface of the vessel. So here they can bring the high rapid blending of low viscosity materials of larger volumes, produce intense dispersion type agitation in large volumes, and can bring about efficient dispersion in multi-liquid phase system. Now the advantage of the turbine mixtures are they are effective for high viscous solution with a wide range of viscosities up to 700 pascal seconds. These turbines, it will give greater shearing force than propellers, and thus they are more suitable for the preparation of emulsions. They can also handle fibrous slurries containing about 5% of the dispersion volume. Next type of mixture is the double cone mixture. And the construction, the double cone mixture, it consists of a vessel with two cones base to base with or without a cylindrical section in between. Now it is so mounted that it can be rotated about an axis at right angles to the line joining the points of the cones. So it rotated in the axis movement. Then these tumblers are available plain or with an agglomerated braking device or with a spray nozzle. And the mixing barrel and blades, as these are made up of stainless steel. Now the working of the double cone mixture. Here the powder is loaded into the cone through a wide opening and discharged through a slide valve. Now when the double cone mixture rotated around the axis, the powder will cascade over one another, and from this the proper mixing is done. So in the figure you can see the uh, mechanism of the double cone mixture. Now the next is the advantages. Now it is an efficient mixture for mixing dry powder and granulates homogeneously. The conical shape at both ends, it will enable the uniform mixing and easy discharge of the powder, and it can be used for pharmaceuticals, food, chemicals, cosmetic products, etc. Now the next is the colloidal mill. Here the construction, it consists of an inlet hopper which is used to feed the material into the mill. Then after hopper it consists of a rotor and stator which are used to reduce the particle size by applying the shearing force. And it consists of an outlet which is used to discharge the reduced particles. This is the construction of the colloid mill, hopper, then a rotor and stator and the outlet. Now let's see the working of the colloid mills. Now colloid mills, it works on the rotor stator principle. Here a rotor turns at a high speed around 2000 to 18,000 rpm, and these high levels of hydraulic shear, it will apply to the liquid which will disrupt the structures in the fluid. These high shear rates, it will lead to the small droplets around approximately 1 micrometer which are more resistant to emulsion separation. Now here the crude mix is fed by the hopper to the center of the rotor, and the material is flung outward after homogenization across the shearing surface, and then it is discharged via the outlet. Here the rotor, it will runs around 900 rpm and has an output of about 40 to 60 gallons depending on the viscosity of fluid. And the space between the two surfaces is adjustable from 0.3 to 0.002 inch. Now let's see the advantages. The colloid mills, these are used for the production of ointment, creams, gels and high viscous fluids for grinding, disperging and homogenizing in one operation. Now with the help of colloid mills, we can get extremely fine particle distribution through optimal shear force. Then it has the high capacity with minimal space requirements, rapid handling and easy cleaning, and virtual unlimited application due to high flexible homogenization system. So in the today's session we learn about various working principle and construction and advantages of various types of mixtures used in the pharmaceutical industry. Thank you.